Hi, Sherry from Side by Side Enclosures. We're here today with the CFMOTO 600 UForce. Talk about our enclosure with, for the full door for the UForce. It's very easy to install. You basically are going to run Velcro right up these edges here, right up the edges over here, up the back, right underneath your roof, and right down your front windshield. Just little pieces. You don't need huge pieces, you can see. And on this one I didn't put the straps on because I didn't want to have to take this fella's windshield loose, but they'll have straps. You'll loosen your windshield and it'll also strap around the roll cage in different areas. So in order to get it in and out, you unzip, you can get in. Zip it back up. You can also unzip from here to reach out, to get your mail, to let a little air in, whatever you need. It's a two-way zipper, so you don't have to. And you just unzip to get back out. And the really cool thing about this one is if you're out riding and you decide that you know, it's warm and you want to take the enclosure off, all you have to do is unzip it with this zipper and pull it off, and the whole enclosure's off. If you need to put it back on, just take zip it back up, hook your Velcro back, and you're good to go, ready to ride again. Again, Sherry Black, Side by Side Enclosures, www.sidexcideenclosures.com, 724-614-7660. Thanks and have a good day.